Dinner is ready. Let's eat together.
David, how was your day at work?
It was busy, but good. I had many meetings.
Dad, did you come home early today?
Yes, I finished my work early today.
I helped Mom cook dinner.
Yes, Emma helped me a lot. Mom, it looks delicious. Can you tell me what you cooked today? It smells different from usual. I made vegetable pasta with fresh salad. Emma helped me wash the vegetables and set the table.
Yes, I helped Mom a lot today. I washed the tomatoes and carrots, and I was cautious.
That's wonderful, Emma. You are learning to help at home. I'm very proud of you.
Dad, how was your day at work today? Did you have many meetings, or was it a quiet day?
It was a busy day, but a good one.
That's nice to hear. It's always good when we can spend more time together in the evening.
I like dinner time. We sit together, talk a lot, and eat tasty food.
I agree, Emma. Family dinner time is very important. It makes us feel close and happy.
Let's enjoy our food now. Thank you all for sitting together and talking so nicely.
If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. It really helps our channel.
Subscribe to our channel for more easy English conversations and daily practice. Practice English every day, and don't be afraid to speak.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.